This is the Mosen Mortgage Program with Sarah Mosen. Mosen Mortgage is licensed in several states for residential and commercial purchases and refinancing. Call 800-662-9550. And now, here's your host, Sarah Mosen.
It's great to be back here again, folks. It's Friday, and it's the end of the week. And again, I have to say, last 2 weeks have been amazing. It's always nice to have good friends on the air with me. And certainly interest rates are still very low, so give us a call here at 1-800-662-9550. I was having dinner with a really good friend of mine. Just don't want to mention names, but he's a doctor, and he actually did refinance with us. In fact, looked at his commercial property, wanted to take out approximately $100,000, and ended up with a payment that was exactly the same. Now he has that amount free and clear to reinvest into his practice. So some of the things that you might want to be thinking about as a person who's a business owner, we are pretty much doing business throughout the U.S. for commercial and residential properties. So folks, feel free to reach out. Don't be shy. Our number again is 1-800-662-9550, and our phone lines are open 24/7. Big part of the big picture for us, it's not only about financial health and your financial well-being, but it's also health and fitness, because when you're looking at life, it's the long term, not the short term gain. And you need to also look at how well your life is going in regards to your nutrition, to your health and well-being and fitness, because without that, really everything else is secondary. And I love talking about finances, and I love talking about ways to save money, but I have to say, one of my most favorite people that I have here in the studio is Sarah Warnart. She's been on the air with me a couple of days. I can't help myself, but you've done wonders for me, and I fully support you in all the work that you've done for other people in your client base, but also for myself. Welcome.
Well, thanks for having me again. You love talking about finances, and I love talking about health and wellness, that's for sure. So thanks again for having me. It's happy Friday to everyone.
It is.
Yes, exciting. And like I said, it's so good to see you here back in Boston. And I love that everyone sees you and sees the results that you're getting because of our working together in my nutrition plan.
Absolutely.
And I'm so proud of you. And I would say that you are the dream client.
Well, you're the dream trainer and coach. So, I mean, literally, we definitely make a great team, but mostly you have the knowledge base and the information. And I always tell folks, get to the source that actually has factual information about getting you to the next level. And when folks come to us and they contact us on financial well-being, we give them the facts, the real numbers on how you can save money on your mortgage. We offer the lowest interest rates, and we certainly offer 30 wholesale lenders, so you have a lot of options. When I came to you, I saw just not only you're a beautiful person inside and out, you're absolutely gorgeous, but you have a kind heart, you generous spirit, and you certainly have a passion and drive for this. This whole idea of making sure people get healthy and get a better, making better life choices. And I just want to make sure that people hear enough about you and that you have a chance again today to share a little bit more about yourself.
Well, thank you for those kind words. They're much appreciated. And, I do practice what I preach. We have talked before about how you always say I'm too humble and never talk about the things, that I have achieved. And, I have achieved a lot. I have been very, very blessed and been very successful in my field. Like I've said before, I never really intended on doing fitness modeling. It just, it came as a part of my competitive nature. Mm-hmm. And after competing in volleyball Division II in college, I really didn't know, I wanted to still compete at something. So I did a figure competition, and someone saw me and put my picture, ended up in a publication, and it kind of snowballed from there. And, has always, good things have come up. I shot for Bowflex, and like you said, I won the major distraction muscle model search at the Arnold in 2008 and got to shoot a 2-page spread in muscular development. I've had some appearances in Oxygen magazine, been on the cover of Body Talk and Pearlo Press. So it's been a great ride, and, I definitely love what I do. And what I'm here today to do is to reach out and help others and, let them know that, your health should definitely be one of your top priorities.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
And, health and fitness goes hand in hand with financial stability as well.
Well, you've competed from college onwards. You were sponsored with volleyball, and then you followed through with all of these other things that you've done as a model with Oxygen and with Bowflex, and these are big names. And then not only that, your sponsorship with other companies, Big Bully Nutrition with the protein bars, and you're certainly open to any other companies that will sponsor you, be it for nutrition or for other factors, because you are going to continue to compete. And I'm willing to share you with everybody else in the world because, I mean, at Mosen, we are sponsoring you as an athlete, but I certainly feel that when you meet someone as wonderful as you have to share that person with the world, because otherwise it's just being a little too selfish. So,
well, first off, I do thank you for Mosen Mortgage sponsoring. I'm so lucky and excited to get back on the competition national stage next year with your support.
Right.
And like you said, though, I'm always looking for other networking possibilities because it's always a win-win situation. It seems that I come into contact with all these different clients, all these competitors, you know, and I kind of rely on whoever I'm networking with to send them in their direction. Like I've teamed up with, you know, that Big Bully Nutrition is my protein bar company, the only nitrous oxide protein bar on the market. I have Terry from Fabulous Fitwear, which is competition suits. And I have DME, which is a pain management company. And so then I'm also looking for other workout gear companies.
Sure.
You know, maybe even a supplement company that has branched chain aminos, fish oils, things that, you know, I kind of suggest for everyone that I train to take. So I think right there is a great possibility for anyone.
Well, I mean, it's time for you to grow. It's time for you to actually, you have achieved great success, but you also, and I want folks to know how much you've accomplished because you have clients overseas. Your nutrition plan, which is fantastic, allows folks from overseas or in a different state to reach out to you because of the fact that it is online. You can contact through email, text, or phone.
Right.
But it certainly gives you that 80%, which is critical to achieve your goals. Folks think that it's all about working out. It's not. It's what you're feeding your body.
Correct. Like we said, you can spend 1-2 hours in the gym a day, but your nutrition is 24/7, 365. And that is really the missing link that I think a lot of people are missing, you know, and I would say that's my specialization is nutrition. And I do have a website that I've been working on, and people can go on there. And
it's a beautiful website. What's the website?
It is www.sarahwernert. That's SarahWernert.com. And there is a field for like train with me. You know, you can see all my pictures. I have my biography on there. I have all my information. You know, as you can see who's on the radio.
Well, it's a wonderful website. It truly is. And it's not only that, the information there and the information that you have is very valuable to folks. I mean, we watch the shows that are on TV, and I know one of your favorites is The Biggest Loser, so we can chat about that. Jillian, if you're listening, Sarah Wernert wants to meet you. But it's really nice to see folks go from one level to the next with their fitness.
Well, that's why I think this is a great connection here because we're both in the market to improve people's lives.
Absolutely.
I want to make them healthier and happier and they feel good about themselves when they are that way. And you want to do the same thing with finances. You know, so even like The Biggest Loser, they had the section on financial health because it does go hand in hand. It's directly related.
It is.
So I am so excited that you asked me to be here to talk about this. And, you know, that's why we're both here, because we want to improve people's lives.
We certainly do. It's just trying to save or change things, get things to be a brighter perspective on the world, the positive side of things. I know things can get gray and sometimes folks are going through difficult periods in their life, but to be able to give them that shift in focus and see how much added value there is to improving your health, because it changes things. It changes the way you are with your family. It changes the way you are with your relationships, friendships, marriages, things like that.
Oh, yeah.
Without that focus of having good nutrition or giving that time out to even look at financing or refinancing your home so you can have that extra time with your family. I say, for example, what was a comment you made about take a walk, it's free.
Yeah, take a walk, it's free.
Right. And the thing applies to finances. If you have 3 jobs that you're doing right now, maybe we can end up eliminating the 2 other jobs because of the fact that your interest rate is too high on your mortgage. that frees up time for you to take that walk with your family. Mm-hmm. I loved having you here in the studio, Sarah. It's just been a delight. And certainly, folks, please reach out to us. And if you need to reach Sarah as well, 1-800-662-9550. And her website for the nutritional plan, if you do need to reach out to her online, is www.sarahwernert. It's been wonderful, folks. Stay well, Boston.
This has been the Mosen Mortgage Program with Sarah Mosen. Mosen Mortgage is licensed in several states for residential and commercial purchases and refinancing. Call 800-662-9550.